Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TikTok export workflow for CapCut to Premiere. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the CapCut app on your device. Select the project you want to export to Premiere. Once your project is open, tap on the export button located in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the option to export your video. In the export settings, you will see various formats. Select the format compatible with Premiere. Now, look for the option labeled Export Workflow. Tap on Export Workflow to activate the feature. You may need to connect your CapCut app to your TikTok account if you haven't done so already. Log into your TikTok account if prompted. Once authenticated, return to the Export Workflow settings. Choose the preferred settings for your video, such as resolution and frame rate. Confirm your settings by tapping the Start Export button. Wait for the export process to complete. After the export is complete, the video will be saved to your device's gallery. Open Adobe Premiere on your. Import the exported video file from your device into Premiere. Check the timeline to ensure everything has been imported correctly. You can now edit your video further in Premiere as needed. Your TikTok content is now ready for additional enhancements in Premiere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.